Welcome. If you want to know exactly when your WhatsApp messages are read, turning on Read Receipts is the way to go. With Read Receipts enabled, you'll see those familiar blue ticks whenever someone has read your message, and your contacts will also know when you've read theirs. Here's how to turn on Read Receipts in WhatsApp. Updated for 2025. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. This icon opens up the main menu, where you'll find more options to customize your WhatsApp experience. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage your account, notifications, and privacy. Now tap on Privacy. This section is where you control who can see your information and activity on WhatsApp. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Read Receipts. This setting controls whether you and your contacts can see when messages are read. To turn it on, simply tap the switch next to Read Receipts. When the switch turns green, Read Receipts are enabled. That's it. You've now turned on Read Receipts. From now on, you'll see blue check marks when your messages have been read, and your contacts will see when you've read theirs. It's a great way to keep your conversations transparent and know when your messages have been acknowledged. Keep in mind, if you ever want more privacy, you can come back to this setting and turn Read Receipts off at any time. Just remember, when you disable Read Receipts, you also won't be able to see when others have read your messages. However, Read Receipts for group chats and voice messages will always remain active, no matter your settings. Thanks for watching. With these simple steps, you can stay informed and make the most of your WhatsApp chats. Happy messaging!